Memories of one dress got me to thinking I can make another, but this didn't turn out as planned. Sometimes creativity begins with a problem. This project certainly did. I found exactly the right knit fabric, but there wasn't enough of it. Most people would have walked away, but I bought it anyway. That decision meant every inch of fabric had to earn its place. Sewing patterns are wonderful. They save us time. They solve construction problems. They give us confidence. But eventually, something happens. You stop seeing a pattern as instructions and you start seeing it as a starting point. And depending on the number of patterns you buy, that happens very quickly. Nonetheless, that's when pattern hacking becomes exciting. The pattern that I use recommended moderate stretch knits. Fortunately, I found exactly that. Unfortunately, it was the last piece on the boat, and it wasn't enough. There was another challenge. The pattern size I owned was much larger than my daughter's measurements. So before I even cut the fabric, the pattern itself needed adjusting. Because the fabric was short of the length I needed it to be, the skirt couldn't be as long as I wanted it to be or as full. So there were fewer gathers. The overlap became narrower and with less overlap. So windy days became far more adventurous than planned. It's beautiful, but definitely a reminder that fabric calculations matter. To keep everything secure, I added a modesty panel behind the wrap. It was covered, you couldn't see it. It wasn't part of the original pattern. It simply solved a problem I hadn't anticipated. I had planned to make a matching fabric belt. There wasn't enough fabric left, so I opened one of my drawers and found a paisley belt that was nearly 38 years old. Mine. When was the last time that fit me? Nonetheless, I was happy it came to the rescue. Sometimes the perfect finishing touch is something you've owned for decades. Now, most people would have called the remaining fabric scraps. I call them possibilities. There was just enough left to make something for a little one. But to be truthful, I cut out that little piece before I cut the dress. The baby pattern wasn't designed for knit fabric. It was actually drafted for woven fabric. So more adapting followed. I got blue stretch mesh for the sleeves and a knit yoke. The remaining dress fabric for the lower portion, different fabrics, one little outfit. Suddenly, the leftover fabric had become something much bigger than leftovers. Over the years, pattern hacking has changed the way I shop. I no longer see sewing patterns as finished ideas. I look at them as possibilities. Every pattern becomes a template. The size doesn't matter. A sloper, if you may, a place to begin. Sometimes I'll buy a pattern simply because I can already imagine what it might become. Creativity rarely begins with abundance. More often, it begins with limits, not enough fabric, an oversized pattern, a missing belt, leftover scraps. Those limitations didn't stop this project. They shaped it. And perhaps that's what creativity has always done. It quietly asks, what can you make from what you already have? You have the answer. Thank you for spending time with me today. Until next time, keep creating a life you love with what you have.